Let me show you how to remove this green screen from any video right in Capcut. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is to import your video right here, which I've done, and next up bring in your green screen video and place it right where you want it to be. So for this subscribe montage, right, I'm just going to resize it to make it to be on the exact position I want it to be. So the next thing you have to do right here is to come to where you have your video tab right here, and you go to where you have your remove BG tab. Right now under here you come to where you have chroma key, right? So most times your chroma key option here would be unchecked rather. So you need to uncheck your chroma key option. Right now, as you can see, let me zoom out. Now you are going to click this color picker right here under where you have your color picker. You're going to click this eyedropper tool and drag it to your video, right, the green screen video. So let me zoom out. So as you can see, when you click on the video, your green screen, the green color would automatically leave the video. Now most times, right, if you click your video and the green screen, the green color doesn't leave the video, all you need to do, you come here under intensity and adjust the intensity, right? So this should do the trick. But in this case, when I click when I took the color picker tool and I clicked on the green screen, the color left just with one click, right? So all I need to do is just to drop my color picker tool, right? And as you can see, right, so if I play the video, you can see that the green screen is no longer on this subscribe montage. You can see that very, very clearly. So I can go ahead and take the green screen effect, the subscribe button, to any part of the video I want it to be. So I think it's pretty okay here. And then you can resize it. You can increase the size, okay, or just leave it, okay, resize it to whatever size you want. So I'm just going to leave it like this. So if I play my video, you see that, let's go back and play the video. So as you can see, the green screen is no longer on the subscribe montage. So this is how you can apply your subscribe button or any video with a chroma key effect on Capcut without the green color appearing on the video, right? So I'm sure you had value from this. If you found this useful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications so you would be notified by YouTube whenever I post another media design related content such as this.